Hi guys, this is Nobody, and we're gonna show you if you don't broke in your nitro engine, what's happening with your car. The starter. This is what happens. We're gonna show it you guys again to make sure you know. You have to prime it because there is no fuel anymore in the engine. You can say it's your engine is too lean. It is it, but the high-speed needle is, as you can see, it's not too lean. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and hope you guys you know what's happening.